Hello, my name is Alana Thornton. I'm a doctoral student at the University of Kansas in Educational Leadership Policy Studies. I started teaching public school in 2008. I will be teaching in Olathe Public Schools starting this 2018-19 school year. I enjoy taking long walks with my blue heeler and taking care of my 15-year-old Jack Russell Terrier. I'm fond of traveling and spending time with my husband and daughter. I'm delighted to learn and collaborate with the curious. Today, I'm here to talk to you about Flipgrid, where social learning happens and every student has a voice. Flipgrid brings the back row to the front. Let's see how they're doing that now with the collaboration of Microsoft.
Hi, I'm Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Today, I'm incredibly excited to welcome Flipgrid to Microsoft. Together, we have a shared mission to empower educators and students. Flipgrid is the place where students go to share ideas and learn together, and where educators go to engage them. Building communities around learning is more important than ever. The way people interact, socialize, and work are rapidly changing. Equipping students with the skills they need to thrive in this future will require an engaged community made up of dedicated administrators, great teachers, motivated students, and involved parents. Technology is merely a tool to enable their creativity and ingenuity. Together with Flipgrid, we aim to democratize these tools to empower every educator and student to create the world of tomorrow. Thank you all very, very much.
Welcome to Flipgrid. My name is Kevin Soren, and if you're emailing Flipgrid, I'm probably the one responding. But right now, I'm walking you through the simple steps needed to start amplifying student voice in your classroom. After logging into your Flipgrid admin, this will be your homepage, the My Grids page. To get started, we're going to create our first grid by selecting the blue button. A grid is a classroom or community, so let's go ahead and name it after that. Now here's the grid link. This is what you'll share with your students. Part of a grid link is a grid code, the random numbers and letters at the end. This grid code is what makes your grid private, and only those with a grid link or grid code will have access to your content. Those are the only required features of a grid. Other optional features include additional security and privacy settings, and enabling transcriptions for accessibility. And finally, there's a grid cover image for a bit of a design. One is randomly selected for you, but I'll choose the globe because we have Flipgrid users all over the world. I hit create and I'm pulled into the topics section of that grid. Now we need to add a topic to spark a discussion. Select the blue button to get started. A great first topic to start creating a community is introductions, so I'll title it that. Then add topic text to pose questions or give your students a prompt for the video. Over here you can see the video response time. The default length is always 1 minute and 30 seconds, although that can be adjusted. Those are the only requirements of a topic. You can also explore optional resources such as adding a video or image with your topic, or adjusting any response features, such as moderating student responses or editing the selfie decorations. When you're ready, select Create Topic. Now you can simply share this grid link with your students and start amplifying student voice. See you on the grid.
So, Flipgrid is here to empower and amplify student voice, and it's free for educators. Let's take a look at my Flipgrid platform. Here's what my grids look like. An example. Here is Culinary Essentials. This is the one of the pathways that I have been teaching. In my advanced class, they did a summarization of knife skills. Let's take a look at their example of summarizing what they learned.
Hey guys, it's Brittany and Carly, and the class we're attending is Culinary Applications, and we learned how to cut, and we learned the names of the cuts, and we created the cuts for you guys today. We have our large dice, medium dice, small dice, brunet, fine brunet, our bonnet, and our julienne, and our fine julienne. We have our round, we have our lonze, and then our Hanze, and then our rough cuts. The rough cuts. Well, thank you. You guys have a nice day.
So what's great about this is I can give them stamps of approval. I can make a comment and email that comment to them and provide details. And here's a link to the video, and I can email the video, and then we can also have replies. So that's one example of how students can summarize what they've learned, or you can do assessments. There's a new feature in Flipgrid, or one I recently discovered, and if you want to see what it looks like for a student, you will need to have a password protection. So in this one, for instance, since it's culinary, I might use the word culinary and require that it be a password and upgrade the grid. And then if I want to view the topic as a student, I can click on the grid, and then to view it as a student, I simply go in and type in the password, and then I can see the various tasks. Here's the one on knife skills, and this is the student's view. And so originally I had shown the video here with Brittany in knife skills, and this is what it will look like to them. And so they can actually learn from each other, which is fantastic, because they can see and view each other's videos. One aspect is the ability to discover and share. You can go through and see what other educators are doing and showcasing and learn. It's really endless what you can do.